Hello everyone, I'm Mako Daishogun and I'm portraying myself being Saitama from the anime One Punch Man. And I'm here in Howlers, Manila just to feel the vibes, the music, the cosplay, and of course having fun. My feeling about this event was overwhelming since it's my first time 3.0 last year at Ayala Circuit. Have fun. The same here. My cosplay, aside from Saitama, I'm also portraying Akuma from Street Fighter, Agent 47 from Hitman, also other cosplay that fits my appearance. Okay, so for those who want to be a cosplayer, the golden rule is have fun. When attending cosplay events, be sure to cosplay as simple as you can be. Hindi kailangan gumastos. Mas simple, mas okay. Yan. Kahit sa ukay-ukay, makakagawa kayo ng cosplay nyo. Mag-crop na sarili, okay lang. Yan. Kahit hindi kayo pumattend ng maraming beses sa mga cosplay events, okay lang din. Kahit isang beses, okay lang. Natatandaan, cosplay is not consent. Humingi ng permiso muna bago bigyan ng mga picture o video. Pinapasalamatan ko yung mga kapwa ko cosplayers. Yan, yung mga nakakasama ko, yung mga nakakilala ko, yung mga kakilala kong mga photographers na napipitikan sa amin. Yan. Mga umattend dito sa Howlers. Yan, syempre, Howlers Manila yan.